Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing color grading for portraits using color lookup. Start by opening your portrait in Photoshop and cleaning up exposure and skin tones. Portrait grading should always feel natural. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and test LUTs that enhance warmth and contrast without altering skin color too much. Lower the opacity until the effect blends smoothly. Add a curves adjustment layer to soften highlights and gently lift shadows for a flattering look. Use color balance to fine-tune midtones, focusing on natural skin warmth. Zoom in closely on the face to ensure tones remain realistic.